Since January 20, 2023, our system ranks QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.701. In this period the stock has had a gain of 8.31%. This is an average return of 0.76% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price fell by -1.78% on the last day, Friday, February 3, 2023, from $311.72 to $306.18. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 2.58% from a day low at $304.54 to a day high of $312.39. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -4 million shares and in total, 76 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $23.25 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $371.83, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 17.66%, or $65.65, below 52-week high and 25.09%, or $102.53, below all-time high November 22, 2021 where the price hit $408.71. The ETF lies in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $311.84 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 2.43% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -11.97% and 4.32%. The 12-month trend indicates a -20.44% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -42.08% and -22.89%. This equals a price between $177.33 and $236.10 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $299.04 and $278.80. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -1.78%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $288.65 and $282.59. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $288.65. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.59 and $269.54. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $7.85 between high and low, or 2.58%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.35%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.93. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $311.72. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $288.65, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $293.09, minus 4.28%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday, 6th, we expect QQQ to open up $1.52 and start trading at $307.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember